Welcome back, I'm Heather, and today I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes with you and a fan favorite on the blog that I can't wait to show you just how easy they come together. My 3-ingredient banana, egg, oatmeal pancakes. Yeah, it's as easy as it sounds. Gosh, I started making this forever ago, probably when my kids were little. It's a great recipe for baby-led weaning because they can easily pick it up. Pancakes are great. And I wanted it very minimal, so I knew what was going into it. And the recipe was born. So it's as easy as it sounds. Mash your banana, mix in your egg, add in your oats, cook them up. Let me walk you through it and you can see how easy it is. All right, I hope that you're excited to make them as well. You can find the full write-up down below and click over, get the recipe, print it out, try it, and let me know what you think. I love to top mine with peanut butter and shredded coconut flakes. They're sweet on their own, so you don't need maple syrup, but you could also do like applesauce with some cinnamon on top. Is delicious in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up on the video, comment down below if you try it, and be sure to subscribe. See you guys soon.